Stay away from nail polish chaos. Dofilachy Nail Polish Organizer allows your nail supply to have their own pockets and ensure that the nail kit are neat and orderly, so that you can easily get what you want, and will not mess up other nail accessories. Upgraded Nail Polish Bag. The 3.5-inch high pocket on the second layer of the nail organizers and storage bag is suitable for your different shapes of nail polish. The foam filling at the bottom can better protect your nail polish from collisions. The detachable design is more suitable for daily cleaning. Double-layer MULITIPLE pockets. There are several pockets and elastic bands on the top for storing nail polish brushes, cuticle cutters, files, stickers, nail clippers, wax remover and other small accessories. The mesh bag design on the second layer allows you to choose your nail accessories more clearly. Material quality. The nail polish bag is made of friction-resistant nylon fabric. Strong metal zipper and reinforced sewing greatly increase the service life of the nail polish case. Portable stylish. The sturdy handle of the nail polish holder allows you to easily carry the nail polish organizer case to many places. The simple and stylish appearance is suitable for more women. Top reviews from the United States. Love. I love my bag and all of the compartments. I just need to add a lock to keep the kids out of it. Lol. Very nice, great quality and cute design. Hold everything.